in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable notification access for your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security, and then underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. And then scrolling down underneath permissions, select notifications, and then select where it says don't allow sites to send notifications, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.